Season greetings, guys. It's me again from Miss Peters, and today I'm here with another mind-blowing episode of the Ritis FS. We all know we are approaching the month of December, and we are just few days into December, and we're all trying to, make it out from the forex market. So today's topic, I'll be giving us some little advantages and disadvantages of you being a forex trader, you being in the trading industry, some little advantages and some little disadvantages as well. I hope it be helpful and educative to you guys, so stay tuned. But on our last episode, if you have been following the Ritis FS on YouTube on all social media platforms, we discussed about some common terms that are being used by traders in the forex market, and I discussed about the terms and I gave some little explanation about those terms, of which we are still on those terms. But like I said, today we'll be talking about some advantages and major disadvantages of you being a forex trader and you being in the trading industry. So let's go. Number one advantage of you being in the forex industry is the global scale. That is, forex is something that you can do anywhere. You can even trade on vacation. You can trade when playing. You can trade when clubbing. Anywhere you are, you can do forex. You can say, okay, it's not the kind of job that will make you stay in one position. You have to be here. You must be there at so time. Though there are timings in the market, but those timings can be done anywhere in the world. You can just wake up in the morning and take up your laptop, take up your phone. You are in the market. You are converting money already. You are buying, you're selling, you're making money. So one major advantage of you being a forex trader is that it gives you this global scale of that you can trade from anywhere in the world. Isn't that an amazing advantage of you being a forex trader? Number two on my list is the leverage in foreign exchange. Leverage, I have discussed about leverage in my previous episode, in my previous videos. So if you want to know more about leverage, you have to tune into my previous videos and watch more about it. Leverage, like I said, it's additional capital given to you by your broker. In forex, for instance, you have $100 account, for instance. With leverage, you can trade up to 10,000 units of a country's currency. That is what leverage does. It gives you an advantage to trade more, to be able to buy or sell more units of a currency. If, for instance, you are having $100 account, you can decide to trade like 10,000 units. That is what leverage adds to your account. It gives you additional capital to scale up in the market, to buy more quantity of the currency. Number three on my list, we have trading option. As the advantages implies, trading options. I believe we all understand what options are. Forex gives you this ability to trade on different countries' currency. It does not limit you to one particular asset. As a foreign exchange trader, you can trade any country's currency. That gives you ability to trade not just one asset, different countries' currency. Number four, we have liquidity. I have spoken about liquidity in my previous video, and some people will be asking, what is liquidity? What is liquidity? Liquidity is money, where the money is. I believe you, as a forex trader, you should understand when I say liquidity. Yeah, due to the high rate of liquidity in the forex market, it makes transactions to be started and closed easily, and it also makes the spread and the cost of a particular transaction to be low. If you want more explanation about liquidity, you can do that in the comment section. Ask questions and I will gladly give you insightful explanation of what liquidity are. Going forward, we have transaction costs. And lastly, on today's advantage, we have flexibility. Have we ever thought about in this field, when it's rising, you can make money. When it's going down, you can make money. Let me use the traders terms. When it is an uptrend or it is bullish, you can make money. When it's a downtrend or it's bearish, you can also make money. That is what Forex does. It gives you this ability to make money even when the market is increasing, is going up, is being bullish, or when the market is coming down, is decreasing, being bearish. That means you can make money in a rising or in a falling market. Lastly, on the advantages of today, I spoke about flexibility. Foreign exchange does not limit you when it comes to the amount of trade or the amount of money you can make in a particular day. The only restriction is when you are trading a prop firm. We'll get to that place. Prop firms are companies that gives additional capital for you to trade as a forex trader. That is the only restriction you will have, or maybe your trading rules, your trading plans, and all that. Aside that, there is no restriction. That's to tell you how flexible the foreign exchange market is. So, guys, that's all for the advantages of foreign exchange, and shortly we'll dive into the disadvantages. One major disadvantages of you being a forex trader is the emotions that comes with it. I won't come and tell you, that I have not gone through that stage. In short, I'm still going through that stage, that emotional stage of being a trader. It's not an easy phase. It's like you battling with your emotions, dragging you here and there and all that. So you have to ask yourself, are you ready to go through this emotional, I call it trauma. I call it trauma because it's something that you cannot escape as a forex trader. It's one of the battles you have to fight. As you being a forex, you have to fight that battle, that you and your emotions, you against your emotions, because you are going to lose money definitely. You cannot escape that in the forex market. Think about it this way: what is something that you want to go into? You know the beginning, but you don't know where you are heading to. You don't know how the ending will look like. You don't know the outcome of it. Or you are putting in your money into it, something that you don't even know the outcome. So tell me, if that thing goes wrong, how will you cope? How will you take it? That is where it comes in. If you are not strong emotionally, it's going to bring you down. So to me, it's a very, very important disadvantage that we have to take note as a forex trader. Your emotion. You have to master your emotion. Going forward, we have significant loss. In forex, you cannot avoid losses. You will lose money. I will not come here and tell you there are ways you will trade, you will not lose money. You are not the owner of the market. You will definitely lose money. The only thing you can do is limit the money you lose when you eventually lose money. Some people just go into the market and then the market takes a lot from them. You cannot stop losing, but you can limit your losses. Thirdly, on the disadvantages, we have the leverage risk. Let me use these simple terms. In our olden days, they say, to which much is given, much is expected. Just imagine you have $100 and then you are trading 10,000 units, 1,000 units. That same amount of money you are trading, you can also lose that same amount. You can also lose that same amount of money in the forex market. So leverage gives you an advantage over the market and also a disadvantage on the market over you as a forex trader. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this point, that means you have been following, and I would like you to take part in re-educating other people. Why don't you share this video, like this video, subscribe on my YouTube channel so that when I drop bangers like this, you get notified. Comment questions or topics you want me to treat in our coming videos, and I'll be there for you.